Hi, welcome to the Cyber Zone. Today, gaining certification is quite expensive. I'm going to share with you how you can gain free certification from reputable companies like Google, Amazon, and also Microsoft. You know that today, all the online companies, most of the platform for the remote works, they really need certificate before they can hire you, right? Don't worry, I'm going to share with you. If only it fits or you find yourself in that category, you are sorted, right? The name still remains DK Cyber, the youngest cybercrime fighter in GH and beyond. If you are new to this channel, kindly do well to subscribe and also click on the bell icon. Anytime you drop good content like this, you'll be the first person to see it, right? So go to your machine or pick your device. Let me show you. Go to Google and search for Microsoft certification, right? So you see this link here, docs.microsoft.com, right? So you click on the Microsoft certifications, right? Microsoft certification right here, you see Microsoft certification. So end certification that show you and keep pace with today's technical rules and requirements, right? So yes, it's good. So you have to gain certification so that you can meet this job. So you can gain free certification for a developer, administrator, solution architect, data engineering or engineer, data scientist, AI engineer, DevOps engineer, wow, security engineer, right? These are jobs that are paying very well today on the internet. And this, you don't need to be a master's student or a graduate before you gain this certification, right? Because today, the secret today online is it's skills that are paying, right? It's professional skills that are paying. It's not about degree. It's not about the masters or the PhDs that you have. It's about a professional skill that you know. So we want to enter into security engineering because I always talk about security. So I want to take a free certification in security engineer. So you click on that and you wait for it to load. Now here we are, security engineer, right? So security engineer, we have the fundamentals, right? Then we have the we have the fundamentals. So all the way you go through, we have security operations analyst associate. So we have the fundamental, we have the associate, then also we have the advanced. So you can go through, right? So right now, let's start with the fundamental. So I want to start with you here. So let's go to the fundamental. So we are trying to apply for this free certification, right? So here we are. Okay, you read through, you go through. Wow, nice. So certification details. So they give you details. So skills measured. So describe cloud security. So you can download even the certification skills outlined there, right? We can just go and start this certification. So you can go and start the certification for free, right? You are gaining free knowledge online with Microsoft. So here we start like that. So now the course begin, right? It's quite simple, quite easy. You don't need any document. You don't need to provide your birth certification. You don't need to provide your city wherever you are. You know, this is quite simple, but you will gain much knowledge. So kindly do well. If you want to be a security engineer, go through that. If not, go through and see the kind of work you want to do or the kind of skills you want for yourself, right? Yeah, so that is Microsoft, how you can gain certification with Microsoft. So if you go through and do not find your own, don't worry. I'm sharing with you almost about 3 platforms, great platform. Microsoft is among the big companies in the tech industry, right? So that is it. So great. So now let's go to the second company, that is Google, right? So now the first one we'll do here is let's go to Google. Now in Google, search for Google Digital Garage. Google Digital Garage. So here we are. Now you see, getting Britain growing. Since 2015, we have trained over 700,000 people to help them find a job. Wow. Grow their career and businesses across Britain, local businesses, communities, and Google tools, you know. Wow, this is quite great. This is quite good. So you see, learn the skills of the future. Yes, you are about to learn the skills of the future. So now you find your course, right? So if you want, you just find your course. So come here, say find your course. So click on find your course. We are going to search for a course that we think that we are okay with right now. Assuming you are into let's say business and finance or whatever, you can gain other skills from different aspects and make some money with it, right? Because today, well, you can't really depend on one. But if still you live in a skills, let's say you are into the IT or you're into the tech industry, you can also as well as do well to take this kind of certifications online. It will do help you. So online courses, right? Here we have here fundamentals of digital marketing, get a business online, make sure customers find you online. So you see, even what I'm seeing from this is you might not even learn it for job, but you can learn it to promote your own business online, right? So that is with Google Digital Garage. This is for more or less about digital businesses, right? So don't worry. If you want to also learn the best platform, the best certification ever I can give you from artificial intelligence, AI, is go to this platform, ai.google. ai.google. Now, artificial intelligence is one of the aspects in tech that's really dominating today. And if you're a youth, if you are someone you want to really come into the tech industry, then I will tell you to also consider AI, right? But AI is quite difficult to learn because a lot is involved. So you need to learn one or two things. So today, the platform that will help you is ai.google. Take your time and go through AI. So advancing AI for everyone. Advancing AI for everyone. They didn't say advancing AI for graduate, masters, but for everyone. So here, take time, go through. So leading with research, start building, learn new skills. So learn new skills with Google AI, right? Build responsive AI for everyone, right? So whatever you need to do, you can just learn with Google AI, right? So ai.google, that is the website, right? So you can check it out, go through to see if it's okay for you. So right now, learn ML expert at Google, right? You see, so you go through this, now. Introduction to Federate Learning, People AI guidebook, you know. So there are a lot. Take time to go through. And this is a great platform that I can ever share with you. At least if you have never gained anything from me, pick this site, ai.google, and also Digital Google Garage. Those are platforms for Google that will help you. There are a lot of platforms, but these are the ones that I find it more interesting I'm sharing with you with Google. So now, left with the last one, we've spoke about Microsoft, Google, now we are going to Amazon, right? But what? Do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also do well to share for your brother to see this. And also, when you subscribe, do well to click on the bell icon, so anytime you drop good content like this, you'll be the first person to also see it. Great. The next one is with Amazon. Amazon is not just all about selling, but they are also there to give you knowledge, right? So go to Google, right, or search this website, aws.amazon.com/training, aws.amazon.com/training, right? So here we are, train and certification. So you train and you get certification, right? So you train and you get certification. So here you can click on register now. You can click on register now to register for this good certification. It's free. You don't need to pay any amount, right? So you just take time, go through the registration process and get yourself sorted, right? So this is DK Cyber. I do want to share with you things that today will help you on the internet. I always say that to make it on the internet, or to gain or to make money on the internet legitimately, you need to gain a skills. And gaining skills, you need to make good use of your internet, right? I believe when you come to YouTube, you research about good materials that will help you. And this is among the ones you are searching, right? So take time, go through all these platforms I've shared with you. Take time and go through and see the one that will help you. If still you think that yours is not in, don't worry. All that you need to do is keep subscribing to this platform. We will share with you always, so that at least you might get what you want one day, right? The name still remains DK Cyber, the youngest cybercrime fighter in GHMBM. Thank you for watching, and also thanks for sharing in advance. And also subscribe. Thank you.